Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota RAV4 front seats. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench set and a trim removal tool. Next, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, slide the front seat all the way back to give yourself ample working space. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, let's move to the underside of the seat. Gently disconnect all electrical connectors. These typically power airbags and seat adjustments. Be patient and avoid pulling on the wires. After that, locate and remove the plastic covers over the front seat rail bolts. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove the 4 main mounting bolts that secure the seat to the floor. With the bolts removed, carefully tilt the seat backward to ensure all connections are clear and to gain better leverage. Now, with assistance if possible, gently lift the entire seat assembly out of the vehicle. Be mindful of the door frame and any remaining wires or carpet as you maneuver it. Take your time to prevent any damage to the interior. To reinstall your front seat, simply reverse these steps, ensuring every connection is secure. Double-check that all electrical connectors are firmly reattached before reconnecting the battery. It's vital to torque the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified values for safety. Finally, reconnect your battery's negative terminal and test all seat functions to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.